Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share products on Amazon. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When you look at the long list of Amazon products, you will likely see items that you want to share with friends and family. Sharing the link to the product directly saves you the time to describe the product. We also give the prospective buyer a visual reality of what they want to purchase. You can share Amazon link on various devices in text, email, or by either copy and paste. In this piece of writing, in this video, I will show you how to share products from Amazon to your friends or family. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon. Now you can just choose on the products that you want to share. Maybe for example, we just choose this one. For the example, I think I will just choose these products. You can just tap on the products. There is an option like share icon on there. You can just tap on the share icon on there. And here you can share to Messenger, WhatsApp, messages, email, or you can just copy the link. I'll just copy the link. Now the link is copied. Okay, you can share the link to our friends, maybe on Telegram. You can paste the link like this, and when your friends tap on the link, they will directly go into the Amazon product, this product. So simple, right? So that is how to share products on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.